It stinks so much, but I kind of like it. Hi guys, today I'm going to be doing a review on a couple of products from a brand called BANISH acne scars. The founder of the company reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try some of the products. I was like, skincare products? Yes, I do want to try them, please, thank you very much. BANISH was born because the owner, Daisy, grew up with really bad skin. She had really bad acne when she was younger. As she got older, it got worse and worse. It knocked her confidence and it created deep marks in her skin. She was trying so many different things, going to see different dermatologists. Nothing seemed to be working. She tried to save her money up for a laser treatment, but then just before she had it, she met somebody who told her about this cosmetic tool and vitamin C serums, which she used together. As she was doing YouTube, her subscribers noticed that her skin was getting better. I'll leave the link to the website down below so you can view more about the story and her products and what it's all about. This isn't a sponsored video, but she said to me, if you like the products, it would be great if I could give her a review. So here we are. I am going to jump right into the product. She sent me the BANISH kit, which is a derma roller and a oil. Then she also sent me the activated charcoal clay mask and the pumpkin enzyme mask. You can either just buy the product once or you can subscribe and save, so you can buy the product every 2 months, I believe it is, and save around 20%, which is great if this is what you love and you know that this is going to work for you. The BANISH kit comes in at $75 US, or you can subscribe and save and get it for $60, which is pretty pricey because the derma roller, they suggest you only use 3 to 4 times, and the BANISH oil is 15 ml, but it's got such good ingredients. So the pumpkin enzyme mask is $35 US. If you want to subscribe and save for this one, you get it at $29, which I think is okay for a mask, especially considering what it's got in there, and it's lasted me quite a long time already. And then the activated charcoal mask comes in at $29, and if you want to subscribe and save, you can get that for $24. Because it comes in a dry form, you can mix the consistency, how thick or how thin you want it, so it depends how you like your masks to how long this lasts. I'm going to go through in order of which one's my favorite. And the first one that I'm going to talk about is the pumpkin enzyme mask. It's got pumpkin fruit, bilberry fruit, sugarcane, orange peel extract, lemon peel extract, glycerin, vitamin E, seed oil, glycolic acid, neem seed oil, rosemary leaf extract, cinnamon bark powder, ginger root, and nutmeg powder. So you can see it's full of really natural ingredients, which is one reason why I love it. You put this all over your face and you leave it on for about 10 minutes and it does start to tingle, but trust me, don't worry about that. This stuff, it stinks so much, but I kind of like it. It almost feels homemade, which is what's so nice about it. It doesn't feel like there's so much stuff binding the product together. You can really smell and feel the natural products on your skin. I just pop it all over my skin and leave it for 10 minutes, and then when it's dry, I just wash it off. I put the oil on afterwards. Whenever I use this product, Jay always tells me that my skin looks really, really good. I can clearly see that it's taken off all the dead skin cells, and the vitamin C has really brightened my skin. It really gently exfoliates and it reveals like glowy, smooth, bright skin underneath, which I love. My problem areas are around my nose. I've got like textured skin there and I get blackheads and whiteheads. They're not so bad, but I know that they're there, and with this it just really takes all of them out. I've noticed that my skin has really improved, so for me to notice a difference after using this says a hell of a lot. The second product I received from BANISH is the activated charcoal clay mask. This consists of green clay, activated charcoal, zinc oxide, vitamin C, tea tree essential oil, which is really good for acne skin. The thing that I love about this, which is so different to all my other clay masks that I've got, is the fact that it comes in a powder form, which is really nice because I can choose the consistency that I want. Now on the website it says you can mix this with tea tree oil or apple cider vinegar to make your mix, but I just mix it with water because it's the easiest thing. If I really want to extract the dirt from my face, then I'll put it all over my T-zone, so my forehead, my nose, and sometimes around here. This will really take out all the dirt, all the impurities from your face as any charcoal mask, but because this is dry, I can mix it to how I want it. I don't really have to have such a thick layer of clay on my nose. I can just make a really thin one and it does the job, and it will last longer. Sometimes I will multi-mask with these two, so if I really want to draw the impurities out of my nose area, I will put this around my nose, and then I will put this enzyme mask all around my face just so I can get the most out of doing a mask. You know, every side of my face gets a little bit of loving. I actually have a dark patch around here here, which has really brightened with the pumpkin enzyme mask. I was so surprised because nothing has worked on that dark patch. It's just so annoying. I don't know why it's there. I don't know where it came from. Then once I've used the mask, I'll go in with the oil. So the oil I use is the BANISH oil. It's 15 ml and it's got 99% pure grade ascorbic acid in it, which is vitamin C, aloe vera extract, witch hazel extract, lauric acid, vitamin E, rose water, rosehip oil, and grapefruit seed extract. If you have acne prone skin, ideally you want to be looking at stuff with tea tree oil in and rosehip oil in, so that's going to basically clear out your skin. The rosehip oil is full of like vitamins, antioxidants. It helps correct dark spots. That's probably what it is. This. Yeah, it helps correct the dark spots and it's known to reduce scars. So you want to look out for products with rosehip oil in, which is... So this oil was part of the BANISH kit. The other things that came in the kit is this derma roller right here. This derma roller has really tiny micro spikes, which when you roll on your skin, it's going to create these tiny micro holes. What that does is it causes the skin to create collagen. Over time, that will repair the scars that might have been formed from any acne that you have. So this is really going to plump up your skin even more and really force your skin to fix itself. Now, one thing about this is you cannot use it over open cuts and active breakout. Only on areas that have scarred, because you want that area to plump up. And then it also came with this little box, which you're supposed to put alcohol in this and then pop this in here and let it disinfect before you use this. Overall, I really like the idea of this brand. I like the fact that they use really natural ingredients and there are no preservatives in here. This pumpkin mask only lasts about 6 months and I've had it for about 4 or 5, I want to say. However, I feel some of the products are quite expensive. Like this BANISH kit for $75. I mean, that's expensive considering they only encourage you to use the roller 3 or 4 times, and then this BANISH oil is 15 ml. I mean, for $79, I'm gonna see how much this oil is by itself, because I do like the oil. I would consider getting the oil again, but I don't think I would use the roller. BANISH oil. $49? That's expensive as well. For $40, you could get the UFO oil by Sunday Riley, which is probably one of the best dry oils I've ever used. I love it so much because it clears out all my blackheads. It's got salicylic acid in it. It's got really active ingredients. It's got really calming ingredients in it. It does everything you want it to do. They both clear out your buildup. They both minimize the appearance of fine lines, nourish your skin, which is lacking hydration. And this is only $40. So out of the two, I would probably pick the UFO oil because I like the ingredients. I feel like this is slightly overpriced for what you're getting. It's not to say that it doesn't do the job. I'm just saying that there are other products out there on the market which you can get that does the job at a lower price if price is a big factor for you. Now, the clay mask is something that I really enjoy using, mainly because you can control the consistency. The only other clay mask I use is the Glam Glow one, but it's so different in the sense that Glam Glow comes in its formula, you put it on and that's that. This, you have to mix it up and create your own mix. And they both basically do the same thing. They both clear impurities, all the oil, all the dirt off your skin. I will probably consider buying this one again because I have really enjoyed using this. Lastly, the pumpkin enzyme mask. There is nothing like this out there that I've tried. Nothing has cleared out my skin, brightened my skin, improved the plumpness, not as much as this one. This one makes me look clean. Not to say that I'm not clean, but I use so many skin products that sometimes it's difficult for people to notice when I've been using a different one or when I'm trying something out. But when I use this one, people always compliment me on how good my skin looks. I don't know what it is about this. Maybe it's the vitamin C in here, I'm not sure, but I look so much brighter, so much healthier and really glowy with this. I can really see myself buying this one again when I finish using this. And that is it. If you've used anything from the BANISH line, let me know in the comments down below. Let me know your thoughts, what you tried, if you liked it, what you liked, what you didn't like about it, what other products you might use. I'm always looking for new products to try out. I love skin stuff. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also follow me on all my socials, which I will leave in the description box down below. And seeing as you've made it this far, I'm just going to leave a video around here so you can click on that and go to the next video, and I will see you in 2 minutes. Bye. She sent me the BANISH acne kit, which is a it's like really bright glowy skin. What am I trying to say? Organic blue green, what? It's full of like vitamins, antioxidants, and it's like helps to the pumpkin, and just that's it.